Okay, let's pull back the curtain on the hidden engine that powers, well, literally everything you do online. We're talking about database management systems. Now, I know, it sounds super technical, but trust me, understanding this stuff is like getting an all-access backstage pass to the entire digital world. So let's dive in.
Have you ever wondered what really makes it all tick? You know, from your banking app to that game you can't put down to your social media feed. What's the magic that keeps it all running so smoothly? The answer isn't some crazy complicated algorithm. Nope, it's something way more fundamental.
And that brings us right to the heart of the matter. This constant battle happening behind the scenes of every single click you make. It's a fight between total data chaos and absolute perfect control.
Just think about it for a second. Every single moment, billions of pieces of data are being created. Your likes, your photos, your messages, your purchases, all of it. Without any organization, it's just digital noise, a giant, completely useless landfill of information. So how in the world do we turn all that chaos into something we can actually use?
Well, this is where our hero enters the story, the Database Management System, or DBMS for short. It is the structured way to store, manage, and get data back when you need it. You can think of it like the ultimate digital librarian, someone who knows exactly where every single piece of information is and can grab it for you in a split second. It's the elegant solution that finally brings order to all that digital chaos.
So why is learning this so incredibly important for you? Because a DBMS isn't just some random tool. It is the rock-solid foundation for what I call the 5 pillars of modern tech. These are the superpowers that literally make our digital world possible.
Let's break these down real quick. First up, centrality. Every single app revolves around data, period. That means understanding how it's managed is a core skill for anyone in tech. Second, a DBMS is the backend heart. It's the engine that lets systems scale from 10 users to 10 million without completely falling apart. Third, you've got security. This gives us a structured, secure way to handle sensitive info and control exactly who sees what. Fourth, it's a decision engine. It fuels the analytics that turn raw data into smart, fast business decisions. And finally, number 5, and this one's a big one for you. These are in-demand skills. Knowing this stuff is a direct ticket to a valuable, future-proof career in tech. These 5 pillars are holding up everything we build today.
And you know what? That 5th pillar, in-demand skills, is so important, it really deserves its own moment. Because learning about database management isn't just some abstract academic thing, it is a direct path to a really powerful and rewarding career. This is the what's in it for you part.
And we're not just talking about 1 or 2 job titles here. We're talking about a whole universe of opportunities that opens up. Whether you see yourself as a database administrator, a backend developer, a data scientist, or even a cybersecurity analyst, this knowledge is your key. It unlocks so many different high-impact career paths.
Let's take the database administrator, or DBA. This person is the guardian of the data. Seriously. They are on the front lines making sure everything is secure, running at top speed, and reliably backed up if disaster strikes. It's a job that comes with a ton of responsibility and importance.
Or, hey, maybe you're more interested in predicting the future, because that's pretty much what a data scientist does. They plug directly into these massive datasets managed by a DBMS and build models that can forecast trends, spot opportunities, and solve huge, complex problems. This is where raw data turns into incredible discovery. And if you want to be on the absolute cutting edge, look no further than the cloud data engineer. These are the architects building our modern data world. They design and manage enormous data systems on platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This is all about building for the future and doing it at a global scale. So when you really get down to it, learning this stuff isn't just about getting a job today. It's about giving yourself the tools to build the very foundation for whatever comes next in technology.
It all really boils down to this. This knowledge gives you the power to design, build, and maintain applications that are robust, scalable, and secure. It's not just one more skill to add to your resume, it is a critical foundation for a truly successful career in tech. That right there is the key takeaway.
So, data is the bedrock of our entire digital world, the foundation for everything. Which brings me to one last personal question for you. Now that you know what that foundation is made of, what will you build on it?